So I won't go through the decision in detail. It's worth a read. The decision acknowledges that the impact statement shows that the basing of the F-35s will create significant noise impacts to the surrounding communities, including the city of Winooski. The decision finds that those impacts were adequately discussed in the decision, but notes that this the point of the impact statement is not to judge the substantive decision that the Secretary made, that the Air Force made. That is for the Air Force to make. The limited role that is being played here is whether those issues were aired sufficiently so that the decision makers and the public could understand what the issues were. But the role here is not to second guess the Air Force in the ultimate decision that it made. So that is what we're left with. Moving forward, there is an opportunity to challenge the decision of the district judge by taking an appeal of this decision to the Second Circuit Court of Appeals. That appeal must be taken within 60 days of the judgment in this case, which gives us a deadline of October 10 of this year to file a notice of appeal with the Second Circuit if we wanted to challenge any of the decisions that were made that related to the issues that the city raised, which again focused mostly on noise impacts. This decision covers a number of other issues, the impact on historical buildings, the compliance and consideration of local and state plans, whether there was adequate consideration of the impact of a potential crash of the F-35. All of those decisions are also up for potential appeal. Ours were limited to the noise impacts. I do understand that the other plaintiffs in the case do intend to file a notice of appeal within the appeal period. So it does appear that whatever the city of Winooski does, that issue will, the case will go on to the Second Circuit for further review. In the Second Circuit, I think the court will be taking basically another look at the question. So again, before the Second Circuit, the question will be, based on this record of decision, this body of information that the Air Force has put together in the environmental impact statement, whether the Air Force complied with the requirements of federal law for taking a hard look and exposing for consideration the various issues which went into the Secretary's decision. So that's where we are right now.